Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Advocates of Nigeria representing the Labour Party and His Excellency Peter Obi in court has sent out some very strong words to obedience and Nigerians all across the globe. But before I break that down, let me quickly tell you that the APC and INEC camp are not comfortable with the way the case is going at the tribunal. Their thought was that the tribunal was going to just throw out the case for lack of merit. They didn't bargain for what is happening now. And from the kind of words that are coming out of their camps, you can clearly tell that they are also very, very worried. In fact, they are worried and terrified, especially with the kind of evidence that are being presented against them and with the way the judges have accepted all this evidence. They are worried. What could this mean for their candidates? They are worried sick, but they try to hide it. They try to make it seem as if nothing they happen, but it's not true. Only yesterday, one of the APC supporters, Sèŕìous of Ekiti State, came out and said, if another election is conducted, Obi will not get 2 million votes. First of all, why is he talking about a rerun election? I believe he is following the case at the tribunal and he is envisaging a situation where the court will order a rerun. Why is he not seeing a victory for his APC man? Because the evidence are overwhelming. Truth is, I don't fear a rerun elections, but the evidence Obi has tendered is enough to outrightly win him the case. But not me, and not any obedient on earth is afraid of a rerun election. Because as far as the election is free and fair, Peter Obi will defeat any politician, any Nigerian politician today. And of course, many Nigerians reacted angrily to his claim that Obi cannot get 2 million votes if another election is conducted. Let me show you some of the tweet reactions to that claim. And this tweet said, some people who once said he won't get 100,000 votes, they should hide their faces. Peter Obi will prove he won the election. This one said, let's experiment with it, Sèírìous, but on one condition. Don't deploy your thugs and agberus. Let everybody vote without fear of intimidation. That is it. Once it is free and fair, we know it can only go one way. And this particular tweet said, Sèírìous is just an ethnic clown. They can't get a grip of themselves. Nonsense. This one said, Sèírìous, you are a disgrace and a bigot. In your entire life, you can never amount to half of what Obi is or was before he joined politics. You went on TV to cry when you were confronted with your dubious conversations to rig election. Useless being like you doesn't have a say when men of influence speak. Hey! This one entered. And this tweet said, putting aside Sèírìous sing-song and desperation for appointment, let another election be allowed without Mahmood and APC thugs. Free and fair. Obi will be recording over 17 million votes, while Tinubu will be stopped at 1,000 to 3 million because of bigotry. Even the 1,000 to 3 million will still be because of bigotry. Hey, Obedience. Oh. And everybody keeps stressing that once it is free and fair, Obi will win. And people keep saying, remove your thugs, remove rigging. I don't know why person go there for this world. You call yourself an influential politician and you cannot win an election unless you rig, unless you bring out thugs. I don't just know. And this is just the difference between His Excellency Peter Obi and these other guys. Now, let's get to the words of the senior advocate of Nigeria, Jibrin Okutepa, representing the Labour Party. He sent out strong words, and let's break it down. I read, Nigeria will be great. Truth cannot be hidden. It can be covered for a moment, but it cannot be buried. Those who cover the truth will soon expose themselves. Nigerians will soon discover more of those who have always constituted themselves as agents of pollution of justice. Nothing is covered from Almighty God. We can pontificate and act piously, but the God that knows the truth knows those who have always stood justice on its head. No nation develops where justice is diluted in favor of the unjust. Interference with judicial processes is the worst crime. I believe in the purity of justice and undiluted fidelity with judicial process. Anyone that seeks to pollute justice is an enemy of the society. Society needs justice. Society must accord our judiciary respect. Judiciary must do everything to earn the respect of the society. Jibrin Okutepa, SAN. That is a SAN representing Labour Party, Peter Obi. You can never see SAN representing INEC or APC come out to send out this kind of words. That is the difference. When they tweet, it is to attack the people, to call the people names, to quarrel with the people. But look at this man, talking about purity of justice. That is to tell you that the man that he's representing is a righteous man. And the tweet reactions to this were wonderful. This one said, God bless you, the doyen of the judiciary. You are our hero and we love you so much. May the good Lord illuminate you with his wisdom, knowledge, understanding, protection over you and your household, now and always. Your advocacy for truth, justice, and good governance is commendable. And this particular tweet said, when we want to recount history years from now, your name won't be missing. And this tweet said, great minds speak truth to power. You are one of a kind, sir. Go get them and take no prisoner. This tweet said, may God keep granting you and your learned brothers the required wisdom to expose the criminals that hijacked the nation's democracy. And this particular tweet said, good over evil. Justice must prevail in our country, Nigeria. And anybody that wants to stand in the way will be crushed, no matter how highly placed. Thank you, sir. You just made my day. Well done. And this tweet said, we can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of the light. Our lights will surely extinct their darkness, and Nigeria will succeed. Wow. Wow. Powerful one there. What a man. Is it all like Festus Keyamo that will come and tweet this one? Those ones, when they tweet, it is to make the people angry, to quarrel with the people. Men that don't have value for integrity, for righteousness, for purity. They talk anyhow as long as money is available for them to chop. Oh, what a shame. And Justin, Anambra State came first in the mathematics Olympiad, mathematics competition all around Nigeria. Anambra State was ranked first. And Everybody is attributing this feat to the contribution of His Excellency Peter Obi to the educational sector when he was governor of Anambra State. Now, waiting with the talk with this. The other day, JAMB results came out, and the best student was from Anambra State. And many of the top students also came from that state. And people say, you see, now waiting His Excellency Peter Obi contributes to the educational sector of Anambra State. Now you they see. So when he came, the state was coming 18th, 20th out of the 36 states in WAEC, in JAMB. And he said no. He put his foot down and he began doing the right things. He began going physically to see how things were going in the government schools in Anambra State. And look at the fruits now. Look at the results now. Now waiting with the talk with this. And for some of you who are wondering that how is this man going to take it to the end? How is he going to follow this journey up? This is not the first time. The last time he was trying to reclaim his mandate, he said at a point he became the only person going to court. Even his party had lost hope. But he kept on going until he recovered that mandate. This is to tell you that this is a man who appreciates the support of people, but who is willing to keep going alone to achieve what he believes in. That is why some people have said, no, even though it looks gloomy, even though it's looking as if judiciary, these people, they know they ever talk through. We are going to stand with the principal till the end to see how it go. And today is another day in court for Peter Obi and his team of beautiful, intelligent, magnificent, and extraordinarily hardworking lawyers. And we'll be bringing you updates from the proceedings later today.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.